Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome sa ating Social Media Mastery Series. It's our day 13 and today we're focusing on designing eye-catching social media graphics using Canva. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing a code, or announcing an event, narito ang mga tips at tricks para mapansin ang post mo. So, let's dive in. Ang Canva ay isang napakagandang tool para sa social media graphics dahil sa madali itong gamitin at puno ng features na makakatulong sa paggawa ng mga professional design ng mabilis. Dagdag pa, nag-aalok ito ng templates specifically designed para sa iba't ibang social media platforms. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala sa sukat at dimension. First, let's choose the right template. On Canva, you can find templates for Instagram posts, Facebook covers, Twitter headers, and more. Para sa tutorial na ito, gagawa tayo ng Instagram post. I-type lang ang Instagram post sa search bar at i-browse ang mga options. Piliin ang template na gusto mo at i-click ito para simulan ang pag-customize. Now, let's customize our template. Start by changing the text to match your message. Click on the text box and type in your content. Remember to keep your text concise and impactful. Karaniwan kasi mabilis mag-scroll ang mga social media users, kaya kailangan malinaw at engaging ang mensahe mo. Experiment with different fonts to find one that fits for your brand style. Canva offers a variety of fonts, so don't hesitate to try a few before settling on the perfect one. Siguraduhin ding nababasa ang text sa pamamagitan ng pag-adjust ng size, color, at alignment. To help you with your brand consistency, you can also use Canva for it. You can watch my previous video. I will put the link below. Next, let's add some visual elements. To make our post more attractive, on the left-hand side, click on Elements. Dito makakakita ka ng shapes, lines, illustrations, at icon. Gamitin ang mga ito para mapaganda ang design mo at mabigyan ng pansin ang mga mahalagang bahagi ng iyong message. For example, if you are sharing a quote, add a decorative elements to highlight it. Or if you're promoting a sale, include an eye-catching icon that emphasizes your discount. Malaki ang maitutulong ng images para mapaganda ang iyong social media graphics. Pwede ka mag-upload ng sarili mong picture or use Canva extensive library for free and premium images. Para mag-upload ng sarili mong picture, i-click lang ang uploads. Tapos, i-drag and drop ang iyong image paths. I-position ito sa loob ng design mo at gamitin ang editing tools para i-adjust ito ayon sa kailangan. Make sure your images are high quality and relevant to your message. You can also apply filters and adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your images pop. Consistency is key in social media branding. Use your brand's color scheme to create a cohesive look across all your posts. Sa Canva, madali lang magpalit ng kulay ng text, backgrounds, at elements. I-click lang ang item na gusto mong palitan ng kulay, tapos pumili ka ng kulay mula sa palette o ilagay ang hex code ng iyong brand. Before finalizing your design, take a moment to review it. Check for spelling errors, ensure all elements are aligned, and make sure your overall design is balanced and visually appealing. Mas madalas na mas kaunti, mas maganda sa graphic design. Kaya iwasan mo yung sobrang daming elements sa post mo. Once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to save and export it. Click on Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download. Choose the file format that works best for your platform. For most social media posts, a PNG file is ideal for maintaining quality. And that's it. You create a stunning social media graphic using Canva. Sana makatulong ang tips na ito para mapansin ang iyong post at mag-engage ang iyong audience. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang tutorial na ito, please give me a thumbs up at mag-subscribe for more social media mastery tips. Happy designing! I'm Yu Wei. Ciao!